Hello learners, welcome to online course on functional foods and nutraceuticals. I am Dr. Rekha Sharma, Associate Professor, UGC Human Resource Development Center, Rashtra Sant Tukaroji Maharaj, Nagpur University, Nagpur. This online course deals with health promoting nutritional factors and bioactive constituents, their potential health implications and mechanisms of action. The online course on functional foods and nutraceutical is a 4-credit course of 15 weeks duration. The objectives of this online course are: first, to enable the students to gain knowledge about functional foods and nutraceuticals. Second, to have a thorough understanding about the health effects of functional foods and nutraceuticals. And third, to make students familiar with the applications in industry. Eligibility for enrollment. The students pursuing post-graduation in food science and nutrition or clinical nutrition and dietetics or applied nutrition can opt for this course. Learning outcomes. After studying this online course, the students shall be able to describe what are functional foods and nutraceuticals, classify the functional foods, and discuss the potential health implications and mechanism of action of functional foods. It has 5 major units, namely Unit 1, Introduction to Functional Foods and Nutraceuticals, which includes definition, history, classification of functional foods and nutraceuticals, perceived effect of diet on disease prevention, and understanding the benefits of functional foods and nutraceuticals. Unit 2 is on probiotics, which include 4 subunits, namely, first, taxonomy and important features of probiotic microorganisms. Second, health effects of probiotics including mechanism of action. Third, probiotics in various foods like fermented milk products, non-milk products, etc. And 4, quality assurance of probiotics and safety. Unit 3 is about prebiotics. This includes definition, chemistry, sources, metabolism and bioavailability, effect of processing, physiological effects, effects on human health, potential applications in risk reduction of diseases, and perspective for food applications for the following: non-digestible carbohydrates, oligosaccharides, dietary fiber, resistant starch, and gums. Unit 4 deals with other food components with potential health benefits, which covers definition, chemistry, sources, metabolism, and bioavailability, effect of processing, physiological effects, effects on human health and potential applications in risk reduction of diseases, and perspective for food applications for the following, namely polyphenols, that is flavonoids, catechins, isoflavones and tannins, then phytoestrogens, phytosterols, glucosinolates, pigments like lycopene, curcumin, anthocyanins, organosulfur compounds, other components like phytates, protease inhibitors, saponins, amylase inhibitors, and hemagglutinin. This unit also includes active biodynamic principles in spices, condiments, and other plant materials. Unit 5 is on non-nutrient effect of specific nutrients, which shall cover proteins, peptides, and nucleotides, conjugated linoleic acid, and omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. These 5 units shall be covered in 40 modules, 2 to 3 modules per week, and each module shall have 4-quadrant approach. Namely, the first quadrant shall be e-tutorial consisting of video lectures, and the engagement time will be 35 to 40 minutes. Second quadrant, that is e-content, shall consist of text materials, summary and illustrations, and the engagement time will be of 45 to 60 minutes. The third quadrant shall focus on web links, open source content on the internet, research papers and journal articles. The engagement time will be 45 to 50 minutes per module. The fourth quadrant will include student assessment consisting of 10 to 15 MCQs and assignments of short and long answer questions. This quarter shall also include discussion and interaction through open forum or video tutorials and clarification on general misconceptions. The engagement time will be 1 to 2 hours. The final evaluation and credit award shall be based on formative assessment and assignments of 30 marks and summative assessments of online exam of 70 marks. Thank you and best wishes.